So what do you want to do today?
I don't know. It's nice outside.
It is a nice day.
Mm-hmm.
What's the
How
plan?
about Epcot?
Ooh, Epcot.
Yeah,
They got some updates.
that's true. We could show updates.
You know, everybody likes information.
I like information.
Me too. Let's go to Epcot.
All right.
Have to get there quick though.
Well, how are we gonna do that? We better leave right now.
I got the plan for that.
All right, let's go. Here.
I told you it's gonna be fast.
This is so fast.
We'll be there in no time. I told you we make it here fast.
We did.
Super fast.
That was the best ride over to
Epcot ever.
as it was.
All right, guys, we just wanted to give you this first update here as the entrance is changing, and this is where the new tram is starting to stop as of now temporarily.
Only for construction time.
Yes.
And there's Spaceship Earth that used to be on the other side where that monorail is coming out. On the other side of that green fencing was the old tram stop. Oh, and look. Guardians of the Galaxy. Looking good.
We are at the entrance of Epcot. As we already showed you the beginning of it, where they were doing temporary tram service. They had to change that all. And over to our left, Leave a Legacy is already beginning to disappear on the right side. They still have it on the left side. As you can see, that's what it used to be. But now, you can see where they were on the right side.
And these will be moved right outside of the gates at the entrance.
Just not here anymore, so.
Yep, but they are not getting rid of them, just moving them.
Looks like Spaceship Earth has a 25-minute wait. Really, Epcot's not that busy today.
No.
Very, very surprised. This is going to show you just how not busy it is. We're not used to that. Look at it this way, guys. Really not that busy at all. I got a feeling we're going to enjoy today.
We always enjoy it.
We always enjoy it, but it's always better when it's not that busy.
Yep.
So let's go see the rest of the park and more updates. A whole new galaxy coming to Epcot. And this is another update. They're coming right along. And what do you think of that, Jolly?
I think they're doing pretty good.
And you can see way out here, this is Guardians of the Galaxy.
That's going to be the queue line from what I heard right here.
Queue line. And then way back there, as you can see, we showed you a little bit from the outside. And they're still doing some more construction. And they're moving right along, it looks like. Won't be long, guys. We'll be showing you this for sure.
We wanted to show you how they're coming along on the Guardians of the Galaxy restaurant. So Guardians of the Galaxy is set to open for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World Resorts in 2021. This is the restaurant, but for those of you who didn't know, this is supposed to be one of the world's longest enclosed roller coasters. And this is going to be called the Space Restaurant. How cool is that? Look at that, how curved it is. Moving right along.
Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. Now, Mariachi Cobre has been performing this beautiful music. Eso, viva! This beautiful music for the last 50 years, and almost 40 of those have been right here at Epcot, and that's thanks to all of you. So again, thank you for being here. But the mariachi tradition, though, goes way back further than that, and we have artists that have paved the way, like Pedro Infante, Javier Solis, and one of Mexico's greatest songwriters, Jose Alfredo Jimenez, and the list goes on, and they have shown us the way, as well as the young guitarist whose story is known throughout the world. And of course, I'm speaking of Miguel Rivera.
You see, amigos, Miguel's journey began in Mexico, in the small town of Santa Cecilia, where he lived with his very big familia and shared a special bond with his great-grandmother, Mama Coco.
That's right. Now, the Rivera family were proud shoemakers. This was a tradition that was started by Miguel's great-great-grandmother, Mama Imelda, when her husband left home to become a world-famous musician, but never returned.
Now, since that fateful day, music has been banned in the Rivera household. Oh, music!
Well, Miguel loved his family, but still he kept the secret deep in his heart. He didn't want to make shoes. He wanted to sing and play the guitar. Like us, his passion was music.
Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches, buenas tardes, buenas noches, señoritas y señores. We're here with you tonight. Hoy qué alegría, for the music is my language and the world is mi familia.
Oh, this music is my language and the world is mi familia.
Oh, this music is my language and the world is mi familia. La música es mi lengua y el mundo es mi familia.
Now, Miguel didn't want to be just like any other musician. He wanted to be like the greatest musician in all of Mexico, the late, great Ernesto de la Cruz.
You see, Miguel had learned to play the guitar by watching the classic films of Ernesto de la Cruz. And as he practiced each chord, he'd hear his idol sing.
I have to sing. I have to play. The music. It's not just in me, it is me. Remember me. Oh, I have to say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry, for even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each time we are apart. Aunque tengo que ir a recuérdame, si mi guitarra hoy es llorar. Remember me.
Santa Cecilia, no one can forget the charismatic De la Cruz, especially on El Día de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead. This is a special time of the year when we gather together to honor family and friends who have passed on.
We created ofrenda, a memorial altar, set out photos and candles, and even a path of marigold flowers, cempasúchil, to light their way home.
Now it was on the eve of this family holiday when little Miguel finds a torn photo which leads him to believe that his forgotten great-great-grandfather was Ernesto de la Cruz. So he ran home to his family and joyfully announced,
I was born to be a musician.
but his family was outraged. No music! And his abuelita smashed his guitar to pieces.
Heartbroken, Miguel runs off to Ernesto's grave, defiantly grabs the musician's guitar, and he strums it with all of his might. Suddenly he finds himself crossing into the land of the dead, a magical world where no living person had ever been.
Now it was here in the land of the dead where Miguel met a charming trickster named Hector, who whisked him away to compete in a talent show for a chance to meet Ernesto de la Cruz.
That's right. Now, Miguel was very nervous, but Hector taught him a special call to help him find his courage. It's called a grito, and it sounds something like this. And with that, Hector helped Miguel seize his moment with this song. What color is the sky? Ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You tell me that it's red. Ay mi amor, ay mi amor.
Where should I put my shoes? Ay mi amor, ay mi amor. You say put them on your head. Ay mi amor, ay mi amor. And you make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm yesing. I'll count it as a blessing that I'm only un poco loco. Now Miguel finally met Ernesto de la Cruz, only to discover that he was not his great-great-grandfather, it was Hector, and he was the one who wrote Remember Me.
It's true, Ernesto de la Cruz was a fraud, but he wasn't about to let his fame crumble, even in the afterlife. So he chased after Miguel and Hector, until Mama Imelda, who had been searching for her great-great-grandson this whole time, came to the rescue in a most surprising fashion. Bending off De La Cruz with a microphone in her hand, she began to sing.
Todos me dicen el negro llorona, negro pero cariñoso. Todos me dicen el negro llorona, negro pero cariñoso.
Yo soy como el chile verde llorona, picante pero sabroso. Yo soy como el chile verde llorona, picante pero sabroso.
Ay de mi llorona, llorona de azul celeste. And it was in singing that beautiful song that Mama Imelda remembered her love of music, that same love that she shared with her husband, Hector. And she also noticed that same great love and passion in her great-great-grandson, Miguel. So with her blessing, she sent him back to the land of the living, where music was once again welcomed into the Rivera family.
Now, every year on El Día de los Muertos, the Rivera family gathers together to celebrate all of their ancestors. And now, also Hector, whose photo has finally been placed upon the family's ofrenda, to be remembered always.
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each time we are apart. Remember me. Recuérdame, aunque tengo que guiar, recuérdame. Sin mi guitarra bien llorar.
Gentlemen, we've got one more song to perform for you, so feel free to sing or dance. Whoa, what a surprise! ¡Qué sorpresa! Miguelito, Miguel Rivera. Come here, muchacho. Everyone say, hola, Miguel.
Hola, Miguel.
Nice to see you. Long time no see, amigo. I understand you traveled all this way from Santa Cecilia. Won't you do us a big favor and play this last number? What do you say? Yes, you.
Hola, Miguelito.
Yes.
Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches, señoritas y señores. Esta noche estar aquí es mi pasión, qué alegría, pues la música es mi lengua y el ritmo es mi familia.
Es mi lengua y el mundo es mi familia.
Y el mundo es mi familia. I'm the world, es mi familia.
Gracias, thank you very much. And Miguelito, bravo to you. Thanks for helping us out. On behalf of Miguelito, our dancers, and Mariachi Cobre. Yes, thank you very much. We hope that you and your familia continue that celebration.
All right, people looking at Yoda.
Oh, look how cool that is. She got the heart.
Okay guys, we're right here behind France, and I wanted to give you a glimpse of an update of Remy's Ratatouille Adventures. And that's how far they are. In order to get this shot, you have to go all the way around back here by the boat launch, and you can catch a glimpse of it right there. So it looks like they're also coming along there, and that's not that bad a shot. So we can't wait to get on that and enjoy that ride, see what that's all about. But there's the update of it. You really can't see it from anywhere else but back here around where you catch the boat to go over to Hollywood Studios. And also, just to let you know, right here is the Skyliner right above me, and that's going to come down right there. So that is going to be pretty cool that you could take the Skyliner instead of the boat and, you know, just get off right here. It'd be pretty cool. So what's that? That's Coco? That is Coco. So we got exciting things coming here at Epcot. A lot to do coming up. This is also the Remy's ride is supposed to finish in spring of 2020. So we will definitely be back here to show you that and just keep giving you guys updates on what's going on over here at Epcot. Right over there, it is amazing, guys, how much they can get done in a short amount of time. Oh, there's more Coco. I thought I saw a rabbit.
Oh, can you see it in the background? Now look at that beautiful shot of spaceship Earth. And where is that rascally rabbit?
Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed the construction update. There's a
Yes.
lot of things going on here at Epcot. A lot of things we need to keep updating you guys on, and we're happy to do it.
That's right. We will be here for you guys.
It's a hard job, but somebody's got to do it. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself.
Bye.